That is so cool.
Oh, that's actually pretty decent.
Uh-huh. This ride just makes me want to explore more of this area.
It's so peaceful.
Mm-hmm. El Haram.
Kinda like them. We have a little mini model here.
I like that. Yeah, you know what? I do think you can go on top of that. Yeah, I see fences up there. I think
try?
that, yeah, no, let's do it.
Nice. You get a really good skyline view from up there.
Mm-hmm. I thought this would be a real cheesy park, but this area is like amazing.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah, look at that.
The airport. You have the planes and everything. There we go. That's what funds this city.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. It's like a little model village.
Yeah.